So these solutions for the ground mounts, first of all, bring them down to a lot cheaper tariff, and they're halving their electricity bills by putting the solar in. The two smaller ground mounts, the avocado farms, with those ones, the solution was around a 2-year payback period for those, and that's including the cost of the ground mount. With the solution for the banana farm, the goal is to stop them going onto a demand-based tariff. They were borderline. So the solution we're putting in, they have to utilise the solar that's generated, but they win because they're not going to be put onto a demand-based tariff, which is based on the size of the pump, regardless of whether they use it. If it's only used for 30 minutes, that pump size is just going to crucify them. At the packing shed sites, the solution was to use 2 NMIs for packing shed and for the workshop, move loads so that it was shared evenly between the 2 NMIs, and then put solar on to bring the NMIs, both of them under 100,000 kilowatt hours, which would reclassify them as small, and also put them onto a feed-in tariff, so when the packing shed is not operating, half-day Friday, Saturday and Sunday, then they would get a feed-in tariff when they were closed. So it's a win-win for everybody. Reduce the daytime costs, packing sheds are only open at daytime, and to get the feed-in tariff. As an engineer, I want to use quality products that I can just walk away from. I know that they're going to perform as expected, and just peace of mind, and I'm reliant on referrals, so I want to know that the customer is happy, that I have the backing of the companies. Using quality products is really important. We service the customer after the installation. We want to know there's a reliable quality product in there that has the backing of wonderful warranties which excel. They're outside of normal products that are available. We have great technical support from the products that we use. It just keeps on producing electricity. It keeps on performing as expected and better.